Hello student, welcome to my MS Parsala. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Start our today topic, tools complement. First understand definition of tools complement. Tools complement is widely used binary representation system for signed integer in digital computers and digital electronics. It offers a convenient way to represent both positive and negative number while simplifying arithmetic operations. Understand algorithm of tools complement. Algorithm make equal number of bits if the bits are not equal. First of all, we make equal number of bits if the bits are not equal. Then calculate tools complement of friend, that is the number that is to be subtracted. 8 tools complement with the minus, that is the main number. So if the result contain the overflow bit, the sign is positive and the final result is obtained by removing the overflow bit. If the bit does not contain overflow bit, the sign is negative and the final result is obtained by calculating tools complement. If there is no any overflow bit, the sign is negative and and the final result is obtained by the calculating tools complement of the number. So we take an example: 1001101 minus 1011. That means 1248. That means plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. That is 11 decimal 1, 1 plus 1248. That means there is 13. Okay, 13. The final result is minus 2. Only 2. Okay, positive 2. So 1 number of the bits are already equal. So we does not make it equal. That is already equal. So first, that is minor number, that is subtracted. Step number 2, tools complement of 1011. We make tools complement of subtracted. So in this step number 2, when we make a tools complement of subtracted, first we take Ohl's tools complement. First of all, tools complement of subtracted, first we take 1's complement, then finally we get tools complement of that number. 1's complement means 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 to 1. So we make 1 to convert into 0, 0 convert into 1, and 0, 0, 0. And in we take into 2's complement. So add plus 8, 1. So we take this, we give this number. So we add it 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, the number. And 8 tools complement with minus. So with that tools complement we 8. So we take 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1. So we get it, that number. So carry is, the result is contain overflow. So the result contain the overflow bit, so the sign is positive and the final result is obtained by remaining the overflow bit, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. That is means 2. That is 13 minus 11 is equals to 2. That's our answer. We take another example, that is negative. Okay, so subtrahend 1110 minus 11000. This is 1 2 4 8 16. 1 2 4 8. So that is 8 plus 4, that is 12, 13, 14. That is our 14 minus, that is our 16 plus 8, 24 plus 28. So that is 28. So first of all, we make equal number of bit. We make it equal number of bit. So there is only 4 digits, there is 5 digits. So make it, we add it equal number. We add in minor. So we add in there. We add here. Okay. So we go to step number 2. Step number 2, tools complement of subtrahend. We make it tools complement. Okay. First of all, when we take tools complement, first of all we make a ones complement, then after we get 1. Okay, so in ones complement we make it 0 to convert into 1 and 1 convert into 0. So 0 0 convert into 1 1 and 1 1 convert into 0 0. Okay, then we add 1, then we get here that result. Okay, so step number 3, add tools complement with minor. So we add the tools complement with minor. That is our minor, and that is our tools complement. That is our tools complement. Okay, that's our tools complement. So we add, so 0 plus 0 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1. So there is 1. So there is no, the result does not contain any overflow bits, so the sign is negative, and the final result is obtained by calculating tools complement of the resulting number. So tools, so there is negative, so the sign is negative, and the final result obtained by calculating, again we take means in tools complement. So again we take tools complement of that result. So that's our result. So tools complement, first of all we take ones complement. That's our ones complement. So we convert into 1 convert into 0, 0 convert into 1. So 0 ones complement 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So and then after we add ones. Then 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 0. That's our tools complement. So hence, um, 14 minus 28. So we take minus 14. So 1 2 4 8. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2 14. We take minus 14. That's our answer. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel MS Pathshala. Thanks for watching my video.